Hi guys! Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you how to do your own acrylics at home. Moo ya 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 moo ya 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 show. A moo ya ya show. First things first, I bought everything from Amazon for less than $100. All this stuff will literally last me over a year. Like, you do the math. I spend $50 or more about twice a month to get my nails done at a salon. So these nail tips are the first thing we're gonna start with. These aren't very great for my nails just because my nails are so flat and these are really curvy, but we're gonna make it work. We're just gonna chop off the little sides and do what we can do because I did not feel like waiting another 2 weeks to return and receive more product. Oh my gosh, these people are burning the rubber. Anyway, so yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get the glue. I really do like this glue because it dries really fast, and we're going to glue on the tips to our fingernails. Okay, so next we're gonna whip out our nail file, and so this is literally the best nail file I've ever used. I bought it in bulk from Amazon. It comes with two sides, and one side is 180 grit and the other side is 100 grit, so one side is just like more rough than the other. And let me tell you, this thing shapes my nails like no other. I cannot talk. And I didn't purchase a nail drill just because I was like, if I suck at this, then I would have wasted my money. Plus, coronavirus, so we is on a budget. Anyway, you're going to want to file down your nail just a little so that you remove the shine. Not too much, not too much. Next, I have this little fluffy elf brush. I got it from Walmart a long time ago, and I just use this. It's actually a makeup brush, but I don't use it, so I'm using it for my nails. Next, we're going to use this two-system nail dehydrator and nail bond system. Did I say system? I don't know. Anyways, this just helps so that your nails don't lift. When you apply this to your nail bed, make sure you try to avoid your skin just because I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, but I think it dries out your skin if you put it on your skin. This brush is a size 8. You can also get a size 12 if you want to work in bigger sections or with bigger beads, but this is good for beginners so that you can take your time and work little by little. Both the powder and the monomer came together as a bundle, and they're 4 ounces. I think I might have to purchase more monomer just because I go through that more than the powder. But yeah, these are really good. Make sure you're putting the monomer inside of a glass because I'm pretty sure if you put it in plastic, it will melt. Being that this is a new brush, you're going to want to soak it in the monomer and swish it around to get the glue that keeps the hairs together off of the brush. I'm going to show you how to make a small bead. So first dip it in the monomer and wipe off just one side of the brush. Then you're going to go ahead and slightly dip her in the monomer, in the powder, and it should look something like this. A little wet, but not drooping off the brush. Yeah, she is perfect. If you want, you can always grab bigger pieces. It's just easier to work with the smaller pieces when you're a beginner. And I purposely am using my non-dominant hand to do this to show you that it's pretty simple and easy to work with, even if it looks like I'm clearly struggling. But you're just going to want to keep moving it around. Personally, I like to start with the edge first just because I like that part to be a little thicker than the part that's closer to my cuticle. But honestly, just take your time, work with it. Don't rush. Don't rush. But yeah, don't rush. Take your time. And once you get closer to the cuticle is when you want to try your best to keep it as clean as possible. Unless you have a nail drill, but since I don't have one, I purposely take my time, like a lot of time, on this part because I don't have that nail drill to go in and clean it up afterwards. But it's doable, I promise you. This her. Now we're gonna go ahead and start filing. This is when I use the really rough sandpaper side to shape it the way that I want it to be. As well with shaping the sides, you are also gonna want to smooth down the top. So file down the top of your nail as well to get that nice smooth finish. Then we're going to take this buffer and buff her out. Now we're going to come back with little Miss Elf and dust her off. Lastly, I don't use gel polish. I just use this. Look how raggedy she is. There's nail polish all over, but I just use this regular nail polish. That way I don't have to spend so much on gel and the light and everything. And so I'm just going to put her on there so that you can see what she looks like with clear coat. And there you have it. She cute or whatever. She's not perfect, but she cute. She's doable. I will link everything I bought from Amazon in the description below. Bye!